Hi, so let's reason something together. Let's imagine something. Imagine you're working in a bank or any company at all, and everybody in your company have the same office key. The admin, the management team, the security team, the cooking team, everybody, even the gate man, has the same office key. What do you think will happen to the company? And that is where access management comes in. Access management answers the question of who have access to what and where in your environment. And access management is controlled and managed by IAM, which is Identity Access Management. And IAM answers three major questions, nothing more, nothing less. Number one question it answers is who can get to log in your environment. Number two question is what can this person access in your environment. Number three question is what action can this person perform in your environment. The person can log in, the person have access. Now what can this person perform with that access that it has? Why do we have IAM in the first place? Mostly we do have teams of different branch of our field. We have people in management, people in development, engineering team working together to create something together. Now, the management team can delete a resources that will affect the entire team, and that is why we need access control, access management in a cloud environment. It's very crucial, and most of the attacks, security breach, happens because there is too much of access to an application or human in the cloud environment. What do I mean by that? Let me use more technical terms. Let's say I am a front-end developer, you are a back-end developer, and my front-end is hosted in a cloud environment as well as my back-end, and the two have to talk to each other. The front-end cannot access the back-end without you giving the front-end access. So now imagine I give my front-end admin privilege, or I give my front-end 100% permission to do everything it can in my backend. Now my backend can access my front-end can access my backend and do whatever you want with it. Now attackers can pass through my front-end and manipulate my backend and database and many more like that. And that is why we tend to restrict and streamline, give the minimum possible access possible to application or person. Imagine you have an Intel in your company that just joined your company. You don't want to give the Intel a full access in your cloud environment. You want to know the Intel role and give the Intel the minimum possible permission as possible. Oh, the Intel can see some application, the Intel can view something, but the Intel cannot be able to, will not be able to delete, not able to see sensitive data, and many more like that. And all of this IAM rules, permission, policy contribute larger to a secure cloud environment. Without IAM, it should be like everybody is working with admin privilege, and if anything happens to one person, it affects every other person. So it is crucial for you as a cloud engineer to be able to manage who gets to log in, access, and perform some certain action in your cloud environment. To reduce security threats, security risk, security breach, you make sure you manage everything, every services that goes on in your application. So thank you for watching. In the next video we'll be talking about IAM rules, IAM users, and how they relate in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.